What?
George, you got your petrol!
No, it's all run out, look.
Oh my god!
What?
Get out!
What?
Get out!
Get out, I can't. The car's not on, is it?
Oh, what happened? Bring someone
Bring someone
to help us!
to help us.
Bring someone, Daddy! Bring someone! I wanna go on! I wanna go!
Oh, George, this one's going on YouTube, boy. There's nothing to be scared of. That was a bit fake, George, wasn't it?
It's not. It's gonna happen again. What is that?
Oh no, that's the mother blaster. That's gonna blast our asses into space. Oh no!
Oh no! Not again!
George! Oh my God, George! Hey, calm down! Calm down! George, it's a car wash! You want to get out? Alright, well, we can't till it's finished, but it's nearly done now. Oh my God, George.
Why did he do this?
Well, we needed to clean the car, didn't we?
It's clean, look!
Yeah, well, we've got to wait for it to dry now.
Oh my God. I'm so scared.
George, stop being silly, mate. It's a car wash.
I think you're the people behind the window.
There's people behind the window.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh no, George, you said there's people behind the window. What are they going to do? What are they going to do?
Oh, I'm scared. What is it? Oh, we used to go nicer in the dark one.
Sounds like it's going to blow up. Oh, George, stop it. Come on. It's a car wash. You've been for a car wash before.
I said that I don't want me off to go in this one again. I don't want to go in this one again. It's scary.
Oh, you big girl. Stop it. Don't be silly. You need to put a belt on if you want to come out of here.
Why?
You can't drive without you having a belt on. You're supposed to be in your seat in the back. Oh, it's done. We can go.
Yes.
You happy?
Yeah.
Oh no, the car won't start.
Oh my God. We're not petrol.
I think so.
We didn't.
Right, so bye car wash.
What car?